Hello and welcome to Little Tech Learners. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of machine learning. This technology is reshaping our world, but what exactly is it? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of machine learning in a way that's easy for everyone to understand. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make decisions based on data. Unlike traditional programming, where humans explicitly define rules, ML allows systems to learn and improve from experience. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions. Let's dive deeper into how machine learning works. At its core, ML involves algorithms that can process data, learn from it, and then apply what they've learned to make informed decisions. Think of it as teaching a child to differentiate between different shapes and colors. With enough examples, the child, or in our case, the machine, starts to understand and generalize from the data provided. There are mainly three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is like learning with a teacher. The algorithm learns from a labeled dataset where the desired outcome is known. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves learning without a teacher. Here, the algorithm tries to find patterns in data without any labeled outcomes. Reinforcement learning is about learning through trial and error, where the algorithm learns to make sequences of decisions by receiving feedback from its own actions. Machine learning is not just academic, it's all around us. From recommending videos on YouTube to powering self-driving cars, ML is making significant impacts. In healthcare, it helps in diagnosing diseases. In finance, it's used for credit scoring and algorithmic trading. The possibilities are endless and constantly growing. For beginners interested in learning machine learning, the journey starts with understanding the basics of programming, statistics, and data analysis. Python is a popular programming language for ML due to its simplicity and the vast array of libraries available. Starting with small projects like a recommendation system or a simple classification problem can help build your skills. Machine learning is powerful but not without its challenges. Data privacy, bias in data, and ethical implications are critical considerations. The goal is to create models that are not only accurate but also fair and ethical. Machine learning is transforming the future, and understanding its basics opens a world of opportunities. It's an exciting field that blends computer science, statistics, and a lot of creativity. As we conclude our journey into machine learning, remember, this is just the beginning of a much larger world waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us at Little Tech Learners. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech content.